So hi, my name is Vamsi Uppuluri. I am the founder and CEO of CropIntellix Private Limited. I have around 14 years of experience in agrispace where we work with all the stakeholders across the globe at the time. And currently now I'm heading sales and marketing in CropIntellix Private Limited. See, the technology which we are currently using is mostly based on the satellite-based analysis, which is a remote sensing-based technology. We use the optical data and also we use the SAR data. So how are we different from other companies is on the data collection part. So for a simple example, nowadays, entire world is moving towards AI and ML. Everyone is looking for automation of the process and all. So, but one thing that is lacking is the data. So how good your model might be, if you don't have enough data with you to train your models, so the analysis may not be that accurate as you are expecting. So for that, the data collection or the data input or the training data sets is more important. So we found that there is a gap between this technology and the data or the training data sets that needs to be included. So we focus more on the data collection part. So we train our models more with the data from the past 5 years. There are cases where I collect the data from the past 10 years and I feed the system and do the further analysis on the satellite or on the GS technologies. If you have the good amount of data, the accuracy is going to be more than 90% when compared to you do the analysis without having a proper data. So that is how we differ from other companies, I can say. So we want to create the information or generate the information from the data which you have collected, so that will be useful for these agri stakeholders for their better effective planning in the future as well. So we are not stopping only at data collection part. We are also generating and creating the data. Simple use case is like on the carbon program, as I said, like we are also collecting the data. And also we have developed an automated application which will automatically calculate the total amount of emissions that this farmer has controlled, and based on that it will automatically generate the number of credits. So that is the analytics part also we are adding into that. So that's the one kind of growth which are looking where we want to enter into that space as well. Along with that, we are also planning to implement this AWD and also this carbon credit programs on the ground instead of we collecting the data. I am part of this cohort 6 T-Angel program. In this T-Hub program has explained, or I can say like showcased a lot of things which we are actually not aware of. So the important thing which this T-Hub cohort 6 program has shown us is like there are so many other things other than the business and also the revenue for a startup. For example, how important the organization chart is. We don't give that much importance to that kind of activities, but we focus mostly on the client side. But this program has really helped us to literally open our mind, saying that it's not only the business, there are so many other documentation work needs to be done when you're going to the investors. So these are the steps which need to follow.